एक शख्स मौलाना शाह अब्दुल अजीज साहब के पास रोते हुए आए, फरमाया हजरत ने फरमाया कि क्या बात है। उसने कहा मैंने ऐसा ख्वाब देखा है कि मुझे अंदेशा है कि मेरा ईमान न जाता रहे। हजरत ने फरमाया बयान तो करो। उन साहब ने कहा मैंने देखा है कि कुरान में मजीद पर पेशाब कर रहा हूँ। हजरत ने फरमाया ये तो बहुत अच्छा ख्वाब है।
Wow. Okay, so this is the last one of the golden shower stories from their books. 𝗧𝗵𝗵𝗁𝗂𝗵𝗿 mentions a person came weeping to Shah Abdul Aziz. Hazrat said, "What's the matter?" He answered, "I've seen such a dream that I suspect my faith has been extinguished." Hazrat said, "Tell me your dream." He said, "I saw that I'm urinating upon the Quran Majid." Hazrat said, "This is a very good dream." Malfoozat, Hakeem, Ummat, Volume 15, page 182. So I'll bring the scan up for you guys so you can have a look. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. An individual having a dream that he was urinating over the Holy Quran, and 𝗧𝗵𝗵𝗁𝗂𝗵𝗵 telling him that this is a very good dream.
Astaghfirullah.
Astaghfirullah.
That honestly is astaghfirullah for that.
Sorry, apologies.
There's no words for something like this.
Shah Abdul Aziz said that this is a very good dream. So in other words, for them, not only writing the Quran, blood and urine is something which is acceptable, but even in a dream, if you're urinating over the Quran, it's considered a good omen for them. It's considered a good dream. So let's can you imagine what their ultimate gathering would be? A man walking in, having his penis stretched, somebody putting a finger in his anus, naked women about, yeah, a man leading the salah with a small penis, right? People reading hymns of Gita and Ram over the food, people drinking water washed from 𝗨𝗵𝗵𝗁𝗂𝗵𝗵 feet. These are the type of things that you'd expect in some sort of demonic worship.
He was one of the greatest scholars of the Deobandi legacy.
Many people from amongst the scholars and the pious have regarded him as to have been the mujaddid of the 14th century. Even by looking at Hazrat Thanvi Rahmatullah alayhi, he had such a lovable personality. When he would go anywhere, people would flock and just to see him and have a glimpse of him. And that people, after listening to just one sermon, their lives would change.
What's your opinion on Deobandis anyway? Deobandis are people of innovation, misguidance. May Allah guide them and guide us. They're not people of Sunnah, I mean the Al-Hadith wal-Athar. They're not. Deobandi or 𝗪𝗵𝗵𝗵, may Allah guide them. I'm talking about the layman, Masakin. But this is not the Al-Sunnah, Al-Hadith. Al-Hadith wal-Athar, those who follow the Quran, Sunnah, do with the Salaf al-Salih. Deobandi, 𝗪𝗵𝗵𝗵, ما تريد يا أخي. 𝗪𝗵𝗵𝗵, they follow Abu Mansur 𝗪𝗵𝗵𝗵.
They even claimed it. The guy is Mangero or something. He said he invented the creed because the people were confused. He himself, it's in his YouTube clip.
القرآن السنة الحمد لله. عنده السلف أخي.